want to go, guys, but I have to. We have to go. It's not easy.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Island? No, it's a bunch of bikes. Oh, that is so cool. They get together and ride bikes on Sunday.
They're just chilling, I guess.
If they're here when we come back, I'm going to say, oh, here, I want to explain something. Guys, anyways, let me explain. We went for breakfast this morning at Starbucks, right? It was just a quick little, something. I said to babe, after we did our shopping, I said, babe, let's go home and I'm going to text the guy and see what's going on with the PCR test. Well, what does he say? I said, what's going on? I'm sorry to be a pain, but I need to know what's happening, because I'm flying out tomorrow. Anyways, he turns around and he goes, unfortunately, Maria, we don't have any PCR kits available to you at this time. Yo, it's 12 o'clock, 12:30 now. Why couldn't he just tell me that from the beginning? Why is he lagging me on? Was he waiting for someone to say as a miracle, geez, we've got one test here, give it to her, you know what I mean? I don't think many people are actually asking for PCR tests here in Jamaica. They don't have any kits. So guys, obviously I feel upset about the situation. I feel really, I don't know the words to say, but it just doesn't sit right with me, because I'm traveling with Island, you know what I mean? And the last thing I want to do is be held up in an airport, whether it's New York or Qatar, get held up there and be told that I can't fly any further to Australia because I don't have the right test. It really puts me in a stressful vibe, and I don't like the feeling. So I've made the ultimatum to go to the airport now, which we're on our way, babe.
Yeah.
We're on our way to go to the airport to get the fast rapid test, and hopefully that's going to be the situation that I have to explain to Qatar Airlines when I'm boarding their flight. It's just what it has to be. So guys, it is what it is. There's not much I can do about it on my end. No one's... Island? Okay, Island's getting a bit fussy, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. So I'm about to get the COVID test, so you know what's up. Alright. So guys, a bit scary, but you gotta do what you gotta do in order for it to fly. So yeah guys, 17% left on battery, so hopefully it doesn't die before then. How's your day been? Good? How's your day?
It's not too bad.
Okay.
It's just busy as usual.
Yeah, I bet. Alright, says, por favor, tenga en cuenta que nosotros no somos desinfectados para mantenerme seguro. Okay, cool. Nice. So guys, we're ready.
My name is Garrett.
Okay, lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'd say you want to be on my YouTube channel, but I won't. Alright. I take this off now?
Oh, not yet. Not yet.
Okay. Is it going to hurt?
No.
Okay.
Don't be ticklish. And I don't be watery and that's it.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, never forget that. Just relax. Just relax. Oh my god. Next one.
Okay. Huh.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, all right, guys. There you have it. That was quick and easy. Okay, done.
Now you can wait on the outside.
Out across the road? Yep. Okay, cool. All right.
Someone will get reserved within 30 minutes, okay?
Okay, no worries. Don't forget to watch the Island Family. All right, cool. Blessings. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island channel, the Island Family channel. Anyways, I'm packing to go, guys, today. So, feeling the type of way, you know, feeling sad more than anything because I really don't want to go, but I have to for, you know, all sorts of reasons, but mainly because we need to start this processing with Babe's visa and all of that. Anyways, he's gonna have a bath with his dad. I've already had my bath, so Arlen's gonna go and have a little bath with his dad. So yeah, catch you in a bit. Daddy kiss, daddy kisses. Yay! Daddy give me a bath. Yay! Tata. Take a picture of your friends on YouTube.
Yeah. Bobo.
Hey, hi, I'm on YouTube.
Hey, Bobo. Yeah, to the girls. Tell the girls you're fresh now.
I'm fresh now. Yay!
Yeah, guys, so packing up, babes, packing up and thing. We all at the bath. And yeah, we're gonna have to pack up in the car soon and things, so head off to the airport, so that's the pray, you know. Baby island here, just chillaxing, I guess. Yeah, baby. So we have everything packed already. And ready for going, you know. So I'll catch you guys soon when we're at the airport. Stay tuned. Blessings. It's time to pack up everything in our car, you know, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm gonna get on to that.
You want to sit up and see everybody?
Hey, Mr. Island.
Baby.
What was that?
Hi guys, so I'm here at the airport now with little Island, and yeah, I really want to go, guys, but I do. I just want to tell you I love you, babe. I love you so much. I'll be back soon. Yeah. Alright, babe. Yo. Yo. Island. Hey guys, I'm having bun and cheese for the last time.
for this.
What do you mean? Are you serious?
I'm gonna miss you so much. You hear that?
Daddy talk.
Hope to see you soon again here. I'm gonna see you soon, alright, boy? Okay. Miss Daddy gonna be there, alright? Promise you that. Come on.
We'll make him a milk.
Yeah, guys, so we have to go. It's not easy. It's never easy, guys, when you love somebody so much, you know, your partner, your life partner, your soulmate. It's not easy.
He wants his milk. So guys, this is the final goodbye to Babe. It's not goodbye. See you later. Until we meet again. Hopefully in the next couple of months.
Yeah.
Alright.
Caribbean Airlines is ready for immediate and on-time departure through gate number 3. Our remaining passengers, that's our leaving passengers, here to board Caribbean Airlines flight PW015 to Jamaica, New York. You must board your flight now on gate number 3. Failure to do so at this time will result in your 697 being cancelled and your backside in the process of being uploaded. JetBlue Airways bridges the following 560 Jamaica Kennedy departing customer, KO2.
Yeah, guys, you know, Babe's going back home, you know, it's been a long and amazing journey and, you know, lots of fun and adventure. But, you know, it's time. I'm really sad at this moment, you know, just, yeah, not high energy right now, but hopefully I'll see my family soon again, you know. Yeah, hopefully soon. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, you know.
Yeah. Let's go to your island family. Alright, blessings.
Boarding removed from the
Alright
aircraft.
guys, welcome back to the island family. We are now on the flight, ready to
If
go
conditions on board
home,
a
being
flight
an
necessitate
island.
masks should be removed
Yes,
to accommodate
Dave's
the
not here with
placement
us
and
and
wearing
missing
of
him
oxygen
incredibly, but we'll see
Thanks for
him
your
soon.
cooperation.
Yeah, it's your girl Maria and little island boy. Alright, we'll see you all soon. Ready to roll. Hey guys, so I've just arrived to New York. Now I'm just going to pick up my luggage. I need to go to Carousel 7. Island's asleep, so you know that guys, it's quite busy right now. So I'll check back with me in a little bit, alright? So guys, in New York it's snowing. And the airport's busy. Like, you know, I think New York never stops with, you know, people and stuff. There's so many people. So guys, yep. Here in New York and going to the terminal that I need to go to, but first I want to go get some food, I think, something to eat at least. It's not too hot, cold here, so that's all right. I'm happy. And little island, hi, hi, are you gonna talk or what?
yeah, that's it guys. We stayed at that hotel there. Jeez, it's snowing. Wow. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Blessings guys. Gotta catch a elevator to the air trains, and this is what it is. Air train. You can go down there, or I go to the lift. Downstairs, down. Alright, bless. Okay. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I ain't busting to go to the toilet. It's crazy. Alright. So, I'm gonna go down the stairs guys. Check out that thick snow. Look at that snow guys. Yep, it's cold out there. It's cold. Alright, bye-bye. Just here again, doing the same thing as I was doing before. I'm gonna put my bag down the bottom there. Ireland's just drinking his bottle. I miss Babe like so badly. Tremendously, I should say. I miss my husband a lot. This is crazy that we have to do this once again, you know. I love him and I can't wait, and the reason why we're doing this is because we love each other, you know. We love each other. So yeah, these are the air trains guys. Oh shit, that's cold. Cold snap. Too. Alright, so we're going up here guys. All terminals. But it is what it is. The little island's making a mess as usual. Making a mess, boy. What are you doing? This is the air train, guys. Welcome. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna pop this up here. So, yes, I'm hot. Don't bring a jacket, nothing like that, because I'm freezing. No, I'm not. I'm actually hot. Passport. I'm going to change Ireland's pants. I think this goes to all terminals, so I'll have to get off and then go to the bathroom. I'm busting.
This train is for airline terminal only. The next stops will be terminal 4, 1, 8, 7, and 5.
Alright guys, get out the door. Stayed at that hotel guys, it was freezing cold in the rain. I really wish I'd never had to leave. I really wish. But we have to look at it on the bright side and do the right thing for the sake of Babe and me and Ireland as a family. We've got to do it, you know?
We are arriving at Terminal 4. Please take your belongings. This train attracts you is for airline terminals only.
Terminal 8 guys. So I'm here now, checking in again through the gates. Our flight's not until 9 p.m. tonight and it's only 3 p.m. so I've got a very long flight ahead of me. Alright guys, gotta go because I'm here at customs. Love yous and leave yous. This is the Island family. I'm still at JFK New York Airport. I am technically now, it's 6:30. My flight's at 8:20, well boarding starts at 8:20. I am here in this gazebo or tent, if you want to call it. waiting on a PCR test because the airline would not allow me to board the flight without having the PCR test. Now this is where it all begins, the stressfulness of running around in an airport that you don't know. And that's what I've done. I've been running around pretty much for the last 3 hours. Okay, I've been running around for the last 3 hours. I'm totally lost. I don't know, you know, where everything is, looking at signs, catching air trains, this, that, here and there. It's been a crazy day, guys. Crazy day. Hello, how are you? I'm just filming myself, okay? I'm not filming you.
No problem.
Okay. So, guys, I'm here for the PCR test because the place where I was, as you all know, Jamaica, they didn't have PCR kits for me. Okay, so here I am, $399 US later. Tired. My child's tired too, but you know, everything's getting done. Okay, guys, here we go. Gentle. Habla español. ¿Cómo me di cuenta? Ay, Dios mío. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uy, la luz. Dios mío. Okay. Yeah, está durmiendo.
Okay, so like less than 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah.
Done.
Less than an hour, yeah.
Ay, qué bueno. Y me lo mandan por email, ¿no?
Email, sí. ¿Qué hora?
A las 8:20. Tenemos tiempo, ¿no?
¿La noche?
De la noche.
Okay, no problem.
¿Está bien?
Sí, sí, sí.
Ok, perfecto. Muchas gracias, señor. Que tenga una linda noche. Ok, chao, chao. Bueno. Alright, guys. So, test is done. What do you do? That's life. Alright. So, guys, now I am going back to my checking spot. And see what's happening. Alright. Take care. Bye.
Bye. I will hit you up.
Alright. Cheers, bye. Alright, guys. Yeah, listen to, oh, I forgot my phone. Ooh, I forgot my phone. The lady was charging my phone. Guys, I tell you, it's been crazy. Like, honestly, we're gonna sit down and have a talk about this, but this is what it is. All right, before you go, you can see he's still sleeping, you know. I just get my phone. Thank you so much. Blessed to you. All right. Okay, bye. Island, his name's Island. I think I told you that before. He's still sleeping, guys. Yeah, he's having a good sleep, and guess what? He'll probably be awake all night on the flight. Jeez. Happy days. Alright, guys, so I'm ready to finally board the flight from JFK to Qatar, Doha. So I'm here, guys. I'm tired. I haven't eaten all day. Island's just woken up, so he's gonna need a feed too. So yeah, guys, anyways, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. This is what it is, a full ass flight behind me. Yep, happy days, guys. All right. Hi, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long ass flight. Island to sleep. we're here now at Qatar. One more flight, guys, one more flight and we're home. And this little fella just fell asleep, so what do you know? Gotta carry him. Hi guys, we're at Qatar Airport, Doha I should say. Anyways, I'm really pissed off. I'm here for like another 5 to 6 hours, alright? And they have literally taken the pram to my final destination, the stroller. So now I'm going to carry him around for 7 hours. I've been busting to go to the toilet, have a bit of privacy, you know. But unfortunately, I'm here, and I asked them, bye. I asked them if they can kindly get my stroller, but they said that's not their policy. So what do you know, guys? I'm here, stressing out. And here's Bobo, he's awake, island boy. And you know, guys, it is what it is. So, gotta do what I gotta do. I might have to even take him in the bathroom with me. You know? Whew, it's hectic. Anyway, big screens, flashy, everything for what? Looks like a city in here, literally. That's what it looks like. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all our new subscribers. I've been speaking to hubby. Husband has said that we've reached 3,000 subs. By the time you guys probably watch this, we've probably maybe reached a bit more, maybe 5 if we can get it to 5. But I give you guys all the thanks, because if it wasn't for you, you know, we wouldn't be able to share our story with you, our love story, how we met, how it evolved, how this little boy came into our lives, and obviously to all my Jamaican people, you know, one love, definitely. All right, guys, I'm gonna go down now. Probably thousands of cameras are on me going, what is she doing? She's supposed to be coming and getting checked out and transferring, blah blah blah. But I don't care about them, because I'm already paid off at the fact that they couldn't get my stroller for my son. All right, guys, now went through transfers. I'm here looking for my next flight, which is in the next few hours, I guess. I'm here. So, Melbourne, no. Yeah, I can't see it, guys, so I'm hot. I've been walking around. I had to put Island in a trolley. This is the best I can do, you know. All right, Brisbane. Oh, it was just there. Oh, come on, guys, what the heck? Brisbane. We should go get something. I want to go to the loo first. They better give me a good hotel, man, because honestly, I'm not having a shit place. I've already had enough. Like, I'm in quarantine for 14 days. Bobo, sit down. He's trying to get out of the trolley, guys. He's terrible now. He's terrible 6-month-old, like, seriously. Alright. Island, sit down. Sit down, Bobo. Here, talk to the people then. What the... Alright, let's have a look. It's definitely Qatar 898. 898. Alright, 898. There are a load of freaking shop here. What the heck? 898. 898. 898. Yeah. Why Auckland? That to me is strange. They didn't even tell you the gate. Where the frick is the gate? This is confusing, guys. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I need to ask for some assistance. Island, sit down, man. Sit down. Sit down, Bobo. Brisbane, not 898. Okay, 840. Plenty of time. Alright, sit down. Parents' room. Parents' room? Parents' room? Parents' room. The parents, for parents. Where do you go? The room for parents.
I'm not getting you one.
Okay, the room for parents, for like change the diaper.
You receive the diaper, ma'am. There's a washroom over there, ma'am. Just go straight, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a washroom, and then on the right side.
Okay.
On the left hand side, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Here guys, you can understand me. Not many people understand Australian accents. I don't know. It is funny. I want to ask, who else can I ask? So guys, you can have a look around here. They got like all sorts of goodies here. Sit down, Gogo. Sit down. Lounges. Alright. I think this is where I'm going. I really need to go to the bathroom first, guys, so that's where I need to go. First up. Okay, so here is basically they sell you all the products. Okay. And they have a sleep lounge, guys. Let's hope it's what I expect it to be. Hello. Alright guys, that's it. Let's have a look, yeah? Alright, so just walking through here. Where's the parents' room? Parents' room? There? Okay. Thank you. Oh, they have a sleep room. Oh, it's got a sign there. Just take it out? Thank you. Oh, it's dark. Thank you. Do you have a toilet in there? No, we don't. Island, what are we gonna do? So this is a parent's room. Didn't think it was a room where there's a toilet because I need to go to the toilet. Stressful as hell. Alright, we'll just... So I managed to save some cheese it for Bobo on the way here, so he's enjoying that. I'm gonna just be a little Snoopy. Island, take it easy. Alright guys, so you know what that is? It's a bidet. Bidets. Very hygienic. I like that. Very hygienic, guys. Get to, you know. Ooh. Yeah. Hang on, Bobo. I'm gonna wash my hands. You good? Hang on, hold mommy's camera. I just wanted to say I was just at the perfume store, and to be honest with you, I'm going to be straight up. I told Babe this, Babe knows this too. You don't have to win me with jewelry or any of that, because to be honest with you, I'm not all about that. But there's one thing I do love is perfume. Any perfume. Well, not any, but well, I like any perfume, but perfume is my favorite. If anything, perfume is the best. I don't want diamonds or pearls, or chocolates are nice too, but yeah guys, that's what I like. And you know, it is what it is. Oh look, they've got a hotel and spa over there. Anyways guys, I wanted to show you around real quick. Enough about me. Look at this big thing in the middle of the of the place. This city, this seems like a really big place, you know? It's just completely and utterly beautiful. So there you go. These guys go. A little bit of a history there, I guess. Yeah. Yes, Island, sit down, Bobo, sit down. I think we're gonna go this way. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go the other way around. Alright. There guys, so this is Qatar's biggest duty free. I think I've seen this before. I don't really technically want to go there because I know that I'm gonna probably spend, and I don't really want to spend, and then I have to declare when I get to Australia. So I don't really want to do that, and there's some tobacco and all that kind of stuff in there. Not that I'm a tobacco person, but I could buy some for my brother if I wanted to. Yeah, they got like heaps of stuff. Chocolates, like a whole box of chocolates and stuff that you can get. I wanted to go down that way, but I'll just wait and see what we have down this way. I know I'm getting myself lost now. I've locked my bag, which is good. Alright guys, so just, hey, get your hand out of your mouth. Bobo. Okay, so this is like a chocolate soup. Wow, look at chocolate, guys. What? Really chocolate, guys. Chocolate. Yes. You know, I know why people like coming here. Like, honestly, the shopping here is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Just gonna walk down this way. Have a look. I'm gonna try and connect to the internet while I'm here. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, street food market. I'm just going to have a look down there. If you guys ever want to come to Qatar, I really highly recommend it. It's really pretty. It's very nice. I'm going to ring Baby though because he's been wanting to talk to me, so I'll call him. Wow guys, this is a really big eatery here. Look how fancy it is. Like, what the heck? Island, sit down. Okay, so this is where I came before. I think this is where I docked off before, this big artsy place. So, guys, for all those people that are in love with gold, I just found this stuff for you. Oh wow, look, they've even got a playground for kiddies. Island, look. Look, Babu. Wow, Boo-boo. Wow, Boo-boo. Wow, Boo-boo. Wow, Boo-boo, little kids' playground. Isn't that just divine? Yeah,
boo. So there's a prayer room for people that want a prayer. There's toilets there. There's gold shop if you like gold. Last time I came, I was really quickly transiting through, so I didn't really have much time to look through. Like today, I actually do have like a lot of time on my hands to have a look. So I'm gonna have a little look at the gold. Absolutely beautiful. I just had to come and take a little video. Wow, guys, so if you're into gold, I think Qatar, Doha, this is probably the best place to come and get your gold, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those rings. Wow, amazing. Absolutely. Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You see this, guys? This is pure gold. It's absolutely beautiful. That's another thing I do like, but you know, I'm not gonna fuss about it, is gold. So it's all gold. Everything is gold. Gold store, gold everything, guys. Isn't that just amazing? Wow. Oh, they got silver. Oh, probably white gold. There's rose gold. Jeez. Beautiful. Absolutely. So this is a restaurant. Maybe they sell all nice dishes. Not too expensive by the looks of their money. I'm not sure how much it is in US or Jamaican or Australian. I have no idea. But I paid 57 Qatar money, which is equivalent to $20 Australian for that meal that I bought at Burger King. So yeah, you pay that around that in Australia anyway, so it's pretty much the same thing. There's another little restaurant here as well, guys. Pizza and those kind of things, if you're into that. So much to see and so much to do, but I'm getting tired, guys. I mean, I guess it's really good for my feet because traveling is not always a great thing for me, like going traveling and stuff, because you know, yeah, your feet swell up a bit. Well, I do. I get swollen feet, so I just take it easy, you know. Anyways, guys, I think we've almost finished the tour. So we're going to, I think we walked around the whole place. Almost, just about. So I want to go get Island dressed and everything and getting warm and comfortable. And then I'm going to go have a look where my gate is. And then, yeah, go and sit around the gate area just to kill some time. And yeah, that's all I can really do at the moment. Guys, this is what it is. It's me and Bobo traveling as usual, Soon it will hopefully will be Daddy, huh? Daddy's gonna do it. Daddy's gonna do it, eh, Island? Yeah? All right. So guys, we just sort of had Burger King, which is quite fatty. Just had Burger King, so it's quite fatty, and if you can see, yes, I look tired as hell, and so does Bubble, but you know, we've got another 14 hours to go, guys, and then we are sweet as anything. So I'm looking forward to getting back to Australia, so then we can start doing some stuff that needs to be done, and hopefully, what's up? Hopefully our dad will be able to join us soon, guys, and that's our aim. Alright guys, so let's wait and see how it all plans out, alright? And I'll keep you all in the loop with everything too. Say hi! Say hi, Daddy! Say hi, Daddy! Dada, I love you! I miss you! And just hit me on the lip! I miss you, Daddy! I love you! Alright. Alright guys, look at this. My little boy's falling asleep on the trolley. So I'm trying to get to a comfortable lounge. Oh, these guys are not playing me. Seriously, I just want to get comfortable, you know? Anyways, a little sneak through. These are the gates where everyone catches their flights. Yeah. So, as you can see, my little boy's gone fast asleep, my bobo. Say hi everyone for the vlog. Alright guys, so basically I just hired a sleep in and fly. So it comes equipped with a reclining bed. It also comes with like air condition and, you know, flat screen TV, which I don't know what that's used for because I didn't use it. On and on lights. I think they, yeah, I think they did. Do they did? No, they don't. But they did. Yeah, controllers, and it's for your chair to recline it up and down. USB chargers and things. So yeah, guys, this is where I stayed for the last 3 hours. And now my flight's coming soon, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom and freshen up a bit because I look really so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, follow me. And I'm talking to Babe. Babe, say hi to the vlog.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wagwan.
Alright.
Yeah, but
That's Babe.
there, guys, you know, just there, keep Babe's company till she go back home, and you know, still go keep her company anyway. But yeah, there with her same way.
Yeah. Alright guys, so if you ever come to Qatar and you've got a long flight, this is a good place to stay over. Alright. Hi guys, so finally touched down in Brisbane. Welcome back to the island family. Let me just say, just feeling really jet lagged, tired. You know, we done over a 30-hour flight, guys, so yeah, really tired. Little island is here. Anyways guys, I'll talk throughout the process when I'm done. At the moment, because I can't film around, you can't camera anything, so yeah, I'll speak to you all later when I'm at hotel quarantine. 14 days, yay, happy days. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Blessings.